We're here on Loud How Island to document the conservation efforts to create an installation with Adobe Creative Cloud. I want to show the diversity of the ecosystem above and below water. When I started doing animation, I worked a lot with the GIF format. Now I'm also working on video. It was the first time I was shooting underwater. The fact that I can shoot something in Premiere Clip and then upload it on the cloud, it makes my workflow a lot more natural. I imported the video in After Effects and did some rotoscoping of the fish and placed them within the environment that I took in Lightroom Mobile. By showing how rich and diverse the ecosystem is, I really wanted to make people understand how important is it that we preserve it and protect it. I hope that people feel really as immersed in this environment as I was. I feel really empowered that I get to capture this incredible environment with my own eye in a way that will share what I witnessed